YouTube, what's going on? Kyle from ePoolSupply. Today we've got a special little treat where we're going to actually dive into Polaris's Vac-Sweep 280 pressure side pool cleaner and start doing some quick fixes. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So again, today we have Polaris's Vac-Sweep 280 pressure side pool cleaner. Today we want to actually show you guys how to replace the rubber tires on the wheels. So with the 280, it's a 3-wheel cleaner, very notorious to Polaris. They're very big on using the 3-wheel cleaners over some of the other manufacturers that use a 4-wheel or a 2-wheel cleaner. So they are very notorious for using the 3-wheel. The design has been proven to help, clean the pool more efficiently. But every single one of the tires typically comes with this smooth rubber tire, essentially. So it's the wheel of the tire. So you have your actual physical hub of the tire, and then you have your actual rubber tires that do need to get replaced every couple seasons. So based off of the chemical composition in your pool, usage, weather, whatever it may be, you may need to replace these more often than not, but typically once they get kind of gooey or gummy, where the chlorine or whatever has made their way to it and it starts to kind of get a little sticky to the touch, it's time to replace these tires. So you can buy them in 3-packs, they sell them individually, but when you replace one, it's always best, just like it is on any other kind of working piece of equipment. When you replace one, you know that you got to replace the rest, because when you replace one, something else always ends up breaking. So if you buy these in pairs of 3s, this is definitely better for the longevity of your cleaner. Really, really easy to install and remove. In this case, I had a wheel out that has actually broken from the cleaner here, so I've got just one for demonstration purposes to show you guys. Polaris actually OEM logos their tires. So when you're looking for an OEM product from Polaris, Zodiac, any of their stuff, it's always branded. So if you're getting something that does not have their name on it, you're most likely buying a aftermarket part, which even though it may be cheaper, you get what you pay for and you end up having to replace them a little bit more often. They use a better, higher quality rubber for these, so they are meant to hold up to the chemical compositions of your pool better than a knockoff would. So when you're looking for OEM and you want to stay OEM, make sure you guys look for that logo. It's on both sides of the tire, so it's not directional. It does not matter which way you install these on the actual wheels themselves. So once you actually rip the old one off, as you guys can see, it just kind of peels away. So you're just looking to kind of lift the rubber part off. It peels off the actual wheel, just like your bike tire would. You're just gonna kind of peel it off to the point where it just slides right off the actual hub of the tire. You're gonna do that to all 3 wheels. Take your new one, and then you gotta kind of wanna pick from one side. These do have lips on both edges. So when you're installing your new one, you will have a lip grab on the back as well as a lip grab on the front. So you just kind of want to make sure that you get one portion of it set correctly. And then again, just like you would on a bike tire, you just kind of make your way all the way around the edge of the wheel so that everything is even here on the front, and then flip it over and you guys can see that the lip also grabs on the back. You don't want anything to be folded over. These teeth are important when it comes to actually grabbing the axle on the cleaner. The good thing with these is it's typically driven from just the front tires because of their main axle with their turbines in the front. So one wheel does just spin, which does happen to be this wheel that broke. This is not attached, so the teeth in here are not going to take wear and tear like the other 2 tires are. So make sure that when you do install the new one, that you install it properly so that nothing catches and wears incorrectly on you. If you do it while it's still attached to the cleaner, which is completely possible, again, you just want to make sure that after you set the front, that you kind of look in between and make sure that it's evenly set along the back edge so that it doesn't get caught in between any of the the blockers or any of the other gears, because then it's just going to cause more issues for you down the road. So today we showed you guys how to replace and identify a tire for a Polaris 280 pressure side pool cleaner. I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We got a ton more videos coming your way. Kyle with ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.